it's Friday the 23rd of March, and in this video I'm going to show you what's been happening on Thunderball. Okay. On Wednesday I won a fiver. No, Tuesday, sorry. On Tuesday I won a fiver. And it had been 5 draws since the last time I won a fiver. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So basically I won my money back. And that was because I got number 18 and Thunderball 13. In the next draw I picked these numbers. Number 6 was my second choice for the Thunderball, but I didn't put it on. I should have done. I would have won. So anyway, the latest Thunderball result is very interesting because we've got the 3 most frequent numbers, 30, 31 and 32, and 29 as well, so it goes from 29 to 32. And I'll show you why I was going to pick Thunderball number 6. It was because when we look at the big picture for all machines and all sets of balls, number 6 was right up there somewhere. Hang on. Let's just go back to draw 2202. And that's where number 6 was. And so on this chart, which is for machines 2 and 3, number 6 was the most overdue. So I was going to pick number 6, but instead I picked number 8 because, as you can see, number 8 is more frequent. Now this is the current trend, machines 2 and 3, sets of balls 1 to 4. As you can see in the recent draw history, that's what they've been using. And when I looked at this chart for machines 2 and 3, sets of balls 1 to 4, number 6 is the most overdue for its frequency. So that's why number 6 came out. Instead though, I picked number 8. I don't know why actually, because looking at this I should have picked number 6. But anyway, let's have a look where the main numbers were on the main number chart. Okay, so that's where they were. Now, at least I got number 30. And I'll show you why I picked number 30. Firstly, because it's on the edge of this chart, which is for the current trend. And when we look at all machines and all sets of balls, number 30 is the most overdue for its frequency. It is the one that's nearest to the top right corner. So you can see 30, 31 and 32 are the 3 most frequent numbers overall. And then we've got 29 just there, and there's number 8. So going back to the current trend, now that these numbers have come out, this is what the chart looks like now. And so the numbers that I've picked for the next row are these ones. I might change number 30, but to be honest it's easier just for me to stick with the same ones. You can probably see why I've picked these numbers. So you can see 30 most frequent with Thunderball number 8. And on this chart, for all machines and sets of balls, you can see 39 is most overdue. Along with 35. So you can see 24 most frequent with 30. And so you can see reasons why I've picked these numbers. I don't think it's necessary to go into any more detail about that. But anyway, if we look at a chart for number 30, that's what it looked like before the last draw. So those are some of the possible reasons why these numbers came out. And so these are my numbers. If you want to pick the same numbers, that's up to you. I do seem to be quite successful at this game. I'm at least breaking even, winning as much as I spend, and there's not a lot of people who can say that. And anyway, you can see reasons why I'm picking these numbers. This is a chart for Thunderball number 8, and you can see the numbers that I'm picking are on the edge of this chart, or near the edge. And 25 most overdue for Thunderball number 8. And that's just going on this current trend. So in conclusion, that summarises this video basically. Good luck in tonight's draw, and bye for now.